4 distinct points, A, B, C, and D, lie on a line ordered from left to right. If the length of AC is 10 and the length of BD is 7, what are the possible lengths of BC? So here's the line that they lie on, and in fact I'm going to draw 2 more versions of this later, so I'll put those in place right now. First thing we want to do is we know A occurs at the far left, and the reason that we know that is these points are ordered from left to right. So A will always appear on the far left, and we know that some point to the right of that is going to be the point C, and furthermore, since AC has a length of 10, can label that in this fashion. Now the next thing we know is that B must lie between A and C, D must lie to the right of C, and furthermore the length of BD has to be 7. So I'm just going to draw a generic version. Let's say B happens to fall right here. Then I can go 7 units to the right of that, and there will be the point D. So what the question is asking is, what are the possible lengths of the line segment BC? In order to do this, I want to draw the 2 extreme cases. So one thing we can start with, on these 2 extreme cases, we can always put A and C in the same positions, because the position of A is arbitrary on the line. It starts the whole process in motion. And we know no matter what that we will always be 10 units to the right when we draw C. Now what's one extreme case? One extreme case is to put the point B right close to C, just like that. Now we can't put it on top of C because these are distinct points, so we put it just slightly to the right of C, and wherever we put it, we know that we go 7 units to the right of it, and that's where we're going to put the point D. So that's one extreme case. Now the other extreme case is to take this BD segment, which has length 7, and this time slide it as far as we can to the left, and that would be equivalent to putting D just a little bit to the right of C. And again, since that line segment has length 7, when you come back here, this will be the point B that is placed there in order to keep this at length 7. So if we let X equal the length of the line segment BC, then to answer the question, what are its possible lengths, it could be as short as 0, which was this extreme case, not equal to 0, but strictly greater than 0. And it can also be just short of 7, so the length of BC will lie between 0 and 7 units.